Good morning, students. I am Devina Mahajan from lovely public senior secondary school, and today I am going to explain you the major vegetation types, which has been taken from the topic Natural Vegetation and Wildlife, which is chapter 5, Geography. But before we move on to the chapter, you must know the learning outcomes. That is, to develop a clear understanding of various types of vegetation and wildlife, to exhibit clear understanding of various terms, to be familiar with the effect of climate on the biodiversity, that is flora and fauna, and at the end of this video you will be able to describe the diverse flora and fauna as well as their distribution in the country. Now coming on to the topic, the major vegetation types which are found in India. We have five major types of vegetation that is found in India, which are tropical evergreen rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and shrubs, montane forest, and mangrove forests. You can have a look at the map which shows the natural vegetation types. Here in dark green, this is the tropical evergreen rainforest. Here in Kashmir, which is light fluorescent green, shows the montane forest. Here in light green, we have the tropical deciduous forest. In Rajasthan, this western part in white, these are the thorn forest. And here in the smaller areas, which are the deltas of the rivers, we have the mangrove forests. Now coming on to the characteristics of features of the tropical evergreen rainforest. These forests are found in the areas which receive very heavy rainfall and are hot and wet throughout the year. Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats and Assam. The trees here are very tall, which rise up to a height of 60 meters. All kinds of vegetation is found here, tall trees, shrubs, creepers, ferns, which give it a multi-layered structure. The forests are called evergreen because there is no definite time for the trees to shed their leaves. So they appear green throughout the year. The major trees that are found here are mahogany, ebony, rosewood, rubber, cinchona. And the fauna that is found here are the elephants, the monkeys, lemur, rhinoceros, etc. Now, the second major type of forest that is found in India are the tropical deciduous forests. This is the most widespread forest found here. They are also known as monsoon forests. These forests are found in areas which receive moderate to heavy rainfall from 70 to 200 centimeters. Here, the trees shed their leaves at the beginning of the summer. The trees are not so close to each other, they are scattered and approximately 30 to 45 meters tall. Major animals that are found here are lion, tiger, deer, elephant, variety of birds, lizards, and snakes. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are classified into two types, the moist deciduous forest and the dry deciduous forest. The moist deciduous forests are found in the rainier areas, the areas which receive uh, more heavy rainfall, that is 100 to 200 centimeters of rainfall. So they are mainly found in the foothills of the Himalayas in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, eastern slopes of Western Ghats, and Jharkhand. And the main trees are teak, bamboo, sal, shisham, and sandalwood. The dry deciduous forests are found in those areas which have received less rainfall, 70 to 100 centimeters. They are found in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And trees are teak, sal, peepal, and neem. This image shows a typical tropical deciduous forest where trees are scattered. We have bamboo trees. Trees are not so close to each other as compared to tropical evergreen forests, and these are the animal life. Next, we come to the third type of forest that is found, vegetation that is found in India, that is the thorn forest and shrubs. These forests are found in areas which receive less than 70 centimeters of rainfall, that is in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Acacias, palms, cactus are the important plant species found here, and these trees have adapted themselves to the dry desert conditions. So, trees are scattered, they have long roots which draw moisture from the soil. The stems are spongy or succulent to conserve water. The leaves are thick or they have converted themselves into spines to minimize evaporation. Major animals that are found here are rats, mice, rabbits, and camels. This, these are the trees of the thorn forest and scrub, or you can say desert vegetation. This is the camel, the animal life that is found here. Next, we have the montane forests of the forests of the mountainous areas. They are found in Jammu and Kashmir, Uttrakhand, or Arunachal Pradesh. Here, the forests or the trees change with the altitude. So, we have the wet temperate forest, we have the temperate forest, and we have the alpine vegetation. This chart will help you to understand better. From 1000 to 2000 meters, we have the wet temperate forest. We have evergreen broadleaf forest, oak and chestnut are the main trees. Then from 1500 to 3000 meters, we have the temperate forests, that is the areas which are quite cool with conifers, pine, devdar, silver fir, spruce, cedar, the main trees. Then 3000 to 3600 meters, the forests get converted into grasslands, or in some areas we may find silver fir, juniper, pine, birches. Beyond 3600 meters, we find shrubs and scrubs and mosses and lichens in those areas which remain covered with snow. And the last vegetation type that we find in India is the mangrove forests, which are found in the coastal areas or in the deltas of rivers like Ganga, Mahanadi, Godavari, and Krishna. Roots of the plants are submerged underwater. Sundari is the main tree that is found here, which provides timber. Palm, coconut are the important trees that are found here. And Royal Bengal tiger, turtles, crocodiles are the animals that are found here. This is what a mangrove forest looks like. These are the trees that are found here. The roots of the trees remain submerged in water. A quick look or recap of the natural vegetation types of India. Here in the northern parts, that is in Assam, and in the upper parts of Kashmir, this is the montane forests. Here in the western Ghats and in Assam, northeastern India, we have the tropical evergreen rainforest. These are the deciduous forests, most widespread forests in India. This is the thorn forest in Rajasthan, and these are the tidal or mangrove forests. And I think this video has made clear to you all the major natural vegetation types found in India and their characteristics.